Welcome to Norway, a land of breathtaking beauty, mysterious wilderness, and some of the most unique wildlife on Earth. Today, we're diving deep into this Nordic wonderland to uncover its secrets, explore its landscapes, and meet the incredible animals that call this magical place home. So grab your hiking boots, your binoculars, and let's journey into the heart of Norway. Norway stretches over 385,000 square kilometers and boasts an astonishing variety of ecosystems. From the rugged coastlines of the west to the snowy peaks of the north, each region offers something truly special. But what makes Norway so unique is how these landscapes are teeming with life. Let's start with the iconic King of the Arctic. The polar bear. In the northernmost part of Norway, the Svalbard archipelago, these magnificent creatures roam the frozen wilderness. Did you know that Svalbard is home to around 3,000 polar bears, outnumbering the human population there? These apex predators are built for survival in one of the harshest environments on Earth, with their thick fur and incredible swimming abilities. Watching them hunt seals or navigate the icebergs is like seeing nature at its rawest and most powerful. Sharing the Arctic home with polar bears is the Arctic fox. This small, fluffy survivor thrives in temperatures as low as minus 50 degrees Celsius. What's fascinating is how their coats change with the seasons. White in winter for camouflage in the snow, and brown in summer to blend with the tundra. Isn't that nature's design at its finest? Now, let's head south to the dramatic fjords and coastal cliffs, where we find Norway's bustling birdlife. One of the stars of the show here is the puffin, affectionately known as the clown of the sea. Look at that colorful beak. Puffins are expert divers, using their wings to fly underwater while hunting for fish. Watching a colony of puffins during breeding season is an unforgettable experience. Moving inland, we find the majestic reindeer, also known as caribou in North America. Reindeer have been essential to the indigenous Sami people for centuries, providing food, clothing, and even transportation. They're also famous for their long migrations, covering up to 5,000 kilometers a year in search of fresh grazing land. Oh, and here's a fun fact. Both male and female reindeer grow antlers. Now, let's venture into Norway's dense forests, where the elusive lynx resides. With its tufted ears and piercing eyes, the lynx is Norway's largest wild cat. These skilled hunters primarily prey on deer and hares, but spotting one in the wild is a rare and special treat. It's like the forest's best-kept secret. And speaking of giants, meet the elk, or moose, as they're known in North America. Did you know that Norway has one of the highest populations of moose in Europe? These towering creatures can weigh up to 700 kilograms and are often seen near lakes and rivers, munching on aquatic plants. They're gentle giants, but it's best to keep your distance. They're known to be quite protective. As the sun sets and the stars begin to twinkle, Norway offers yet another spectacle, the aurora borealis, or northern lights. Imagine standing under a sky painted with green, purple, and pink hues, with wolves howling in the distance. It's a magical moment that truly captures the spirit of Norway. Norway is also famous for its rivers and fjords, which are teeming with fish. Atlantic salmon are a big part of Norway's ecosystem and its cuisine. Every year, these fish make an epic journey upstream to spawn, overcoming waterfalls and predators along the way. It's nature's version of an action movie, and we can't forget the muskox, a living relic of the Ice Age. These shaggy beasts are built for the cold, with thick coats that can withstand temperatures below -40 degrees Celsius. Found mainly in Dovrefjell National Park, musk oxen are a symbol of resilience and strength in Norway's wilderness. From the icy Arctic to the lush forests and rugged coastlines, Norway is a treasure trove of natural beauty and incredible wildlife. But it's not just about what we see. It's about what we feel. Being in Norway's wilderness reminds us of the importance of protecting our planet and its inhabitants.